Hi, everybody. This is Scott coming at you again. I'm live on the phone with Bob. I wish I could put him on speakerphone, but in all honesty, it's just I have to be very cautious. So, Bob, you were relating that you lost your telephone, no dial tone. Did that affect your access to the internet, or at least affected some people's access? It affected your access to the internet. Yeah, Bob is saying that he could not connect to the internet. Was there, so there was just no dial tone whatsoever? And were you the only one affected? No. His next door neighbor was affected also. And in rural communities like this, ladies and gentlemen, you know, um, our neighbors are our lifeline. So how many boil orders and how many telephone service outages have you had in the last year? You never had a boil order before, you said. That's correct, right? Never had a boil order effect before. And then the phone, does this happen every day or what? He's, he said he called at 12 p.m. And they told you to call back in 24 hours. Okay. So the total time that the phones were out, how many hours were the phones out? Okay. So right after this incident happened, ladies and gentlemen, the phone and internet was cut out. Were there, I asked you when we first talked before we actually started the interview, is there anything else on the news? Oh, okay. Bob's relating to me that they said that the line had been cut. Who told you the line had been cut? Please. The phone company said the line had been cut. Did a human being tell you this, or was it? Yeah, a human being. A human being told Bob that the line had been cut. And did they say how many people were affected, or no? Did they give you any other information? Nope, nope, he says. Okay, yeah, I understand. Is there been, since the birds have died, since the fish have died, since the telephone went out, since the boil order went in effect, have there been any other unusual things, helicopters, unmarked cars, alarms, anything in the night sky? Has there been anything that you can think of that's just a little unusual? Excuse me? Yeah, he's saying jets are flying real low in the sky. When you say jets are flying real low, how low are you talking about? Well, let me help you with it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, he's saying that there are low flying jets flying over the area. Are these large, like the C-130s that carry equipment? Are they fighter jets? Are they flying at night or during the day? They're flying during the day. Are they flying in formation? Are they paired up? Yeah, okay, so jets are flying in pairs. When you say low, I mean, could you hit them with a stone? Could you hit them with a kite? I mean, how just ballpark? Nobody cares if it's exact. Like a football field or two? Okay, so what Bob is telling me is that jets have been flying over a couple of football fields high. Have these jets done anything unusual? Have you heard sonic booms? Are they circling or are they just shooting straight over? Are there any kind of chemical trails coming out of the back of the jets that are unusual? Regular white smoke is coming out of the planes. How many jets have you? I mean, the jets. Do you? I mean, is that normal? Do you see these jets all the time, or what? Okay, so it's occasionally that the jets go by, but recently you've seen more of them. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, he's explaining that he's seeing more jet activity in the area. Wow, wow. Only jets, no helicopters. Yeah, that's interesting. Anything else with the animal life? Any? Hold on. I'm gonna explain this. He's saying a couple months ago, his dog Billy. That's not the real name of the dog, and you're not getting it. But anyway, his dog. Yes, go ahead. He got a tumor about the size of an 8 ball. It looked like a heart. It looked like a heart you pulled out of somebody's body. It was bloody. You got a picture of that? Okay, I need that. I need that emailed to me. We'll make arrangements for that, but we'll crop the picture so all we're showing is the tumor. Now what happened to your dog? Right. So they took it to the vet. They never seen such a thing. It was bloody like a heart. Big bumps all over it. Sure. Anything else? Were they able to remove it surgically, or what happened to your dog? Yeah, the dog was old, German Shepherd. Right, right. You'd never seen such a strange tumor growing on a dog or an animal. Never. The vet said he'd never seen that. The vet said that. What did the vet think it was? He was given a strange. The vet was given a strange look. Listen, how big was this bloody red heart bumpy tumor thing? Giant, like a basketball, like a softball, like a baseball, like a golf. A what? Yeah, like a small basketball. Wow, that's crazy. Now, what happened to that doggy? Okay, okay. The dog was treated. Did they remove it and treat him with some antibiotic or something? They removed it. Gave him antibiotic. Hmm. Okay, and it's now coming back. Okay. Excuse me. What was the last thing you said, sir? Okay, it's coming on a different side of the animal. Wow. Okay. Well, we're gonna try to get you some help for the dog, but we won't discuss that on here. Anything else about the dog situation? Has he been himself or just really hurting him? Okay, so he seems okay for the moment. Excellent. Okay, listen, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing I did before. I'm going to set the phone down, and I'm gonna reopen a new video so we can do this in 3 parts. So do you got a few minutes more for me? Okay. I'm going to put the phone down. Kind of think to yourself if there's anything else you want to share, any message you want to share with the people that can help, and just anything else that's happened, noises at night, alarms, anything else. I'm going to put the phone down and I'm going to start a new video. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is shocking. This is amazing. This is part 2 of my interview with a Pine Bluff, Arkansas resident. Very, very shocking, and I don't need to add to that. Wow.